Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to show you guys how I organize, clean, disinfect my makeup. I just felt like doing it. I was putting it off for a very long time, but today I woke up and decided it's happening. It's happening. So that's what we're doing. But of course, I always start off with cleaning my brushes. That's just a must. I absolutely hate cleaning my brushes. I almost hate it as much as folding laundry, but nothing will ever surpass my hate for folding laundry. That is just a different level of hate. But it's crazy. Watching myself clean brushes is therapeutic, but actually doing it, definitely not.
Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm at extreme at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Harder keeps the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter, 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 bitter.
So the last time I filmed this video, I was using my sister's makeup mat, the makeup mat cleaner thing. But I was on Shein and I saw one, so I bought it. But if you guys want the same one, I'll link it in the description box. But if you don't want to wait that 2 weeks for Shein shipping, then I'll link something similar on Amazon. But it's really great. And as usual, I'm using Zope soap. You can get it from Walmart for $1. But if you don't feel like going into Walmart, I think Amazon may have it for $4. But I'll link both in the description box.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart.
So as you can see, I have a bunch of stuff that just does not belong on my vanity. So I'm just quickly clearing that off before I start. As usual, I like to do everything section by section. So I am just wiping everything down with a clean, really soft paper towel. And then I'm wiping it down with a Lysol wipe because I always happen to drop translucent powder, maybe blush, just little things like that. I decided to clean the tops of my foundations. Like you see that Glossier foundation, it's gross. And I feel like if you have makeup just sitting there, that's just a recipe for bacteria to start growing. So I decided to clean it off with a Lysol wipe.
Feels so nice. We time. You, I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how.
My plans to organize my makeup section by section were ruined by a NARS bronzer. I had to shake out my little protective sheet because if I didn't, it would smear and then like dirty it even more. This made the process take a little bit longer, but it's fine.
No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now. But I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way.
My last video, some of you guys suggested that I store my lipsticks differently, and I followed your advice. You guys are right. It was taking way too much space. So I took my powders and kind of flipped them over horizontally and then used one of the compartments that I was using to hold my lipsticks and put my blushes in there. The only thing is my blushes are kind of like hidden behind the powders, which is kind of annoying.
Show ya. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it. I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. Said I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like Conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind.
At this point, I was feeling a little overwhelmed because all my makeup was on my counter. And like I said before, I like to do things section by section, but the bronzer ruined my plans. So I decided to kind of just break down like my lip liners, my eyeliners, kind of separate them to help ease my mind, even though I was going to take them out again to clean inside the compartments, then re-put it back inside. I probably just made more work for myself, but it made me feel less crazy.
You clean and proper, way you move, you know you can love her. You gonna me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya. Show me the car when you turn me on.
show me how you jiggle.
Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you rip it off? Why I go when you sit you when you take it off? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like your hair rockin' from behind. I know you stingy, how you taking all my time. That's right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like your hair rockin' from behind. I know you stingy, how you taking all my time. That's right, can you take it all night? Por ti mi corazón palpita. Siempre he sido tu chiquita. ¿Cuántos te amos van ahorita? Yo ya perdí la cuenta. Quiero decirte que te amo. Ya van segundos y te extraño. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Entre las bromas, ay, yo lo sé, que te enamoraste y yo, bebé, real no soy perfecta, amor que me inyectas, no me dejas quietar. Soy tu bebecita, te espero ya mis páginas donde no están escritas, porque los dos contigo podamos pintar donde vamos a estar y nos va a encantar.
I definitely have too many makeup palettes. Like, I actually took a break. You guys didn't see that, but I was so stressed out because my makeup palettes weren't fitting and I wanted to keep all of them. Like, I have blush palettes, highlight palettes, eyeshadow palettes. Like, I wanted all of them, but it just wasn't fitting in the drawer. So I had to sit down and really think about what I'd be willing to part ways with. It's easy to get rid of a lip gloss, but it's just harder to get rid of like a palette. Maybe because it's more expensive.
Es que tus besos me saben a miel y toca tu pie también. Al corazón directo llegarás. Te quiero más de lo que quiero. Al final tengo un caballero. En mi vida no habían sido tan sinceros. Eres mi bandolero. Por ti mi corazón palpita. Siempre he sido tu chiquita. ¿Cuántos te amos van ahorita? Yo ya perdí la cuenta. Quiero decirte que te amo. Ya van segundos y te extraño. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. Words all around, and I'm dying to tell you. Well, I know that by now it is obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck.
We're finally done. My makeup table looks so nice. I'm so proud of what I did. If you guys like these types of videos and you want to see more from me, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you want to keep up with me outside of YouTube, you can follow me on Instagram. It's just my name, at Allyson Boubert. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video.